Hello, what's up and welcome to Gift Makumbabi channel. So today we're going to talk about how to make money on Amazon. Let's dive into manual targeting. Manual targeting involves hand selecting the keywords you want to bid on manually. Targeted ads will only appear if a shopper searches such terms match your chosen keywords. As a more hands-on type of ad, you'll need to monitor changes in costs and make adjustments where applicable. This optimization often results in more effective ads and a lower term ad spend. Number 2, sponsored brands ads. Sponsored brands ads, formerly known as headline search ads, allow sellers to drive awareness to more than one product at a time and catch shoppers' eyes, with more robust visuals than with sponsored products. With sponsored brands, sellers can choose from 3 formats, which can appear either at the top of Amazon search results as headline, banners, or further down the page as a video. Product collection and store spotlight ads typically include the brand's logo, custom tagline, and 2 or more products, whereas the video format includes a 15 to 30 seconds long video showcasing a single product. When clicked, these ads navigate the customer to product detail pages or Amazon brand storefront. Sponsored display ads. What are sponsored display ads? Sponsored display ads allow sellers to retarget customers, who have visited their product details pages on and off Amazon. Unlike sponsored products and sponsored brand ads, sponsored display ads can appear on Amazon's affiliate sites, including Google, Facebook, Netflix, and even mobile phones. Mobile phone apps. Sponsored brand ads. A seller must have a registered brand in order to utilize these. So the manual targeting, let me repeat on those few topics that I tackled just recently. Manual targeting. Manual targeting involves hand selecting the keywords you want to bid on manually. Targeting ads will only appear if a shopper's search terms match your chosen keyword. As a more hands-on type of ad, you will need to monitor changes in costs, and make adjustments where applicable. This optimization often results in more effective ads, a lower long-term ad spend. Sponsored brands ads. What are sponsored brands ads? Sponsored brands ads, formerly known as headline search ads, allow sellers to drive awareness, to more than one product at a time and catch shoppers' eyes with more robust visuals than sponsored products. With sponsored products, sellers can choose from 3 formats, which can appear either at the top of Amazon search results as headline, banners, or further down the page as a video. Product collection. As a store spotlight, ads typically include the brand's logo, custom tagline, and 2 or more other products. Whereas the video format includes a 15 to 30 second page as a video. Product collection and store spotlight. Ads typically include the brand's logo, custom tagline, and 2 or more products, whereas the video format includes a 15 to 30 second long video showcasing a single product. When clicked, these ads navigate the customer to a product detail pages or a brand Amazon storefront. Sponsored display ads. Sponsored display ads allow sellers to retarget customers who have visited their product detail pages on and off Amazon. Unlike sponsored products and sponsored brands ads, sponsored display ads can appear on Amazon's affiliate sites, including Google, Facebook, Netflix, and even mobile phone apps. Like sponsored brands ads, a seller must have a registered brand in order to utilize them, right? So, Amazon. That's how Amazon things work, alright? Okay. So, let's go to what is important. What is PPC important? Why is PPC? I've been talking about PPC in my last videos, and why is PPC important for Amazon sellers, right? As a consumer, shopping increasingly shifts online, and overwhelmingly, to succeed with that influx of online retail, traffic comes more competitors looking to capture the most sales. Having an effective PPC advertising strategy is all but essential for Amazon businesses of all sizes. After all, there are over 350 million products on Amazon, and listing can easily get lost in that noise. And while your organic ranking, the place where the product appears in search results naturally is important. Advertising is important. Advertisement helps increase your reach on the platform. How to create an Amazon PPC strategy. Here are the basics aspects of building a solid Amazon PPC management strategy. Test out each type of PPC ad campaign. Play around with automatic and manual keywords. Targeting to see what's best for your brand. Alright? Perform detailed keyword research using Jungle Scout keyword. When starting out, set daily budgets and default bids 50 to 100% higher than what Amazon recommends. Let ad campaign run for at least 2 weeks before running reports and making adjustments. Use ad reports from your automatic campaigns, right, to find keywords for your normal campaigns. Before adjusting, or removing a keyword from a manual campaign, make sure the keyword gets at least 10 clicks. 10 clicks. Continue reviewing for your ad reports once a week, subtracting, adding, and adjusting keywords as needed. Attributed sales. The product sales generated within 1 week of clicks on your ads. Your sales data can take up to 48 hours to populate. So, as a result, sales data is not available in the today date ranges and may be delayed to the yesterday dates, right? To the yesterday date range. You can view the individual sales totals for advertisement products and other products in the campaign performance report. Impressions. The number of times your ads were displayed once identified. It may take up to 3 days to remove invalid clicks from your reports, right? Clicks from the last 30 days may be adjusted due to click invalidation. Clicks. The number of times your ads were clicked once identified. It may take up to 3 days to remove invalid clicks from your reports. Clicks from the last 3 days may be adjusted due to invalidation. To click invalidation. Right, that was all for today. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. Cheers.